We express ourselves through our homes. Our living spaces are a canvas where we paint our personalities and preferences. Every object, color, and texture reflects our personal style. The choices we make in home decor are a direct extension of who we are, from the sleek lines of a modern sofa to the rustic charm of a farmhouse table. Each piece tells a story about our tastes and influences. Each choice contributes to the overall aesthetic of our living spaces. The combination of different elements creates a unique atmosphere that is distinctly ours. Understanding design styles helps us decode these choices. It empowers us to make informed decisions that align with our vision for our homes. It allows us to create cohesive and visually appealing interiors that truly resonate with our tastes and lifestyles. A well-designed space not only looks good but also feels right. Think about a recent purchase for your home. What motivated you to choose that particular item? Was it a sleek minimalist lamp or a colorful bohemian tapestry? Each item we bring into our homes adds to the narrative of our personal style. Your choice, whether conscious or not, was guided by a specific design style. These styles help us navigate the vast world of home decor. Our homes are like mood boards, reflecting our personalities and preferences through the language of design. They are a testament to our creativity and individuality, showcasing the essence of who we are. Recognizing different design styles is like having a superpower when it comes to decorating. It's not just about knowing what looks good, but understanding why it looks good and how it fits into your overall vision. It empowers you to articulate your vision clearly, whether you're working with an interior designer or embarking on a DIY project. This clarity can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Knowing the difference between, say, Art Deco and mid-century modern helps you communicate your ideas effectively. Each style has its own unique elements, and being able to identify these can make a huge difference in achieving the look you want. Imagine trying to describe your dream living room without knowing the right terminology. It can be incredibly frustrating and lead to misunderstandings. It's like trying to order food in a foreign country without knowing the local language. You might get something, but it probably won't be what you really wanted. Understanding design styles provides you with the vocabulary to express your vision with clarity and precision. This knowledge not only boosts your confidence, but also ensures that your space truly reflects your personal taste and style.
Design styles are not static. They're constantly evolving, drawing inspiration from history, culture, and technology. Take mid-century modern, for instance. Born in the post-war era, it celebrated simplicity, functionality, and clean lines, a stark contrast to the ornate styles of the past.
Fast forward to today and we see mid-century modern influences blended with contemporary elements, resulting in fresh and exciting interpretations.
Scandinavian design, known for its minimalism and functionality, has also transcended its origins, influencing global trends in furniture and home decor.
Section 4, Decoding Design Styles, a closer look. Let's delve into a few popular design styles to illustrate their key characteristics.
Industrial design, inspired by old factories and warehouses, embraces raw materials like exposed brick and metal. It's all about a sense of history and unpolished aesthetics.
On the other end of the spectrum, we have Bohemian style, a celebration of free-spiritedness and eclecticism. Think vibrant colors, layered textiles, and an abundance of plants, creating a space that feels both personal and inviting. Section 5. Shopping and styling with style in mind. Knowing your preferred style is like having a compass when navigating the vast world of interior design. It guides your decisions and helps you stay focused on what truly resonates with you.
It helps you curate a cohesive look for your home, ensuring that every piece you choose fits perfectly into your overall vision. This prevents impulse purchases that might clash with your overall aesthetic, saving you time and money in the long run. When you can identify the elements of a particular style, you become more discerning in your choices. You can confidently shop for furniture, textiles, and accessories that complement each other, creating a harmonious environment. This ensures that your home feels well thought out and beautifully styled.
Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of traditional design, with its rich textures and classic lines, or the clean lines and simplicity of minimalism, understanding your style empowers you to make informed choices that reflect your personality and taste. Section 6. Your style, your rules. Remember, design rules are meant to be guidelines, not restrictions. The most important thing is to create a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel at home. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match different styles, and most importantly, have fun with it. As I always say, your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. So embrace your unique style, break the rules when necessary, and create a space that truly speaks to you.